I'll tell you, my friend has some challenges here. He mowed everything and looks pretty good, but there's a heck of a lot more here than just grass.
That's right. Weeds are going to come into every lawn, no matter how hard you work on it. So it's something that you can't really eliminate, but there are certainly things you can do to manage them. A healthy lawn is your best defense against weeds. So if you've taken all the steps we talked about, hopefully weeds won't be too much of a problem, but they will still occur. In small numbers, your best bet is to dig or pull them by hand, making sure you get all the roots. For larger patches, you can carefully apply a broadleaf herbicide that will kill weeds without hurting your grass. If your lawn is completely infested with weeds, chances are there's a larger problem with your soil, and knowing what kind of weeds you have can actually kind of help you fix it. For instance, clover is usually a sign of low nitrogen in the soil, while dollarweed usually pops up when there's poor drainage or too much irrigation. By addressing those problems, not only will your lawn be healthier, but those weeds just might take care of themselves.